See the tires on the front?
Okay, we're going to see if Dan can come over and run his car and not have a catastrophic explosive failure of some type, or an unintended disassembly. I think that's what NASA calls it now.
See the front tires?
Oh, yeah.
Look how hard these are. Yeah, that's it.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's a lot firmer. Are the backs the same way?
Nope.
Are these softer? Okay, those are the ones that fail on you, man.
Yeah,
so you need to find some. You need to find some of those in the back, but they don't give you as much traction.
Yeah, they're a lot slicker.
Yeah.
That's the sucky part.
It's fast. That is a trouble spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
The second half there. Watch out, this car coming left. Let's see a zero. Let's see a start. It just lights them up. That is fast. Looks like they're finally working on that place over there to run it out again. Oh yeah, running good.
You hear a tire.
It's running good.
It is.
Did you adjust your steering bias or what?
A little bit.
That is fast. I hear something.
Yeah, you hear the tire?
I heard the tire. Oh yeah, I hear it.
I think that hard tires are better than that.
I think the hard tires are better.
I do. You know that.
The other ones just expand too much and they hit up against your body, and then they start getting destroyed.
Yeah, it gives a lot more control.
Yeah. Because I mean, it's ripping the back ones spin anyway, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you might as, and if you're gonna have a lack of traction, you might as well have them last longer. It's fast. I would not want that running into my bare feet, man.
No.
Oh, that would jack you up.
Oh yeah.
Let me see from a dead stop. Will it just flip itself over without a wheelie bar?
Pretty fast except the floor.
Let me see. Yeah, it's just too much power. Uh-oh. Yeah. Can't go from a stop. And this is like some pretty rough asphalt too. This is not slick concrete or anything, you know. This is...
That's what we were talking about in the meeting about it.
Yeah.
As smooth as concrete possible.
I don't know about that. Concrete is, you know, concrete's good if rubber's laid down, right? All right. That's fine. No, this gets sideways.
Yeah, for that traction control that comes with originally, it would be a lot nicer.
Yeah, nice.
But it's the original motor. This thing literally would go over 105 seconds.
Yeah, probably out-accelerate most fast cars.
Throw that tire.
You know, you should take it out to the drag strip some night and run it on a track that has rubber laid down. Yeah, so it just sidelines on you. Well, listen, it's in one piece, and there's not fragments of tire hanging around and shit, so we're good.
Yeah.